We have lost our brother. Those who were here yesterday in the morning saw the body. Those who were not there, so I think the WhatsApp and whatsoever happened.
As all of us may know now, there's going to be an official burial. An official burial entails a lot of things. That is why now the program starts as I'm going to tell you. We are going to have the following activities. One, the body of the late Wakuzikibwa will be taken to Parliament on Tuesday the 9th, next week. After the members of Parliament have paid their tribute, the body will be taken back to the funeral home. And then on Wednesday, the 10th, there will be funeral service at Kololoea Street, beginning at 10 o'clock. From there, the body will be brought home here in Chanja for an overnight vigil. And then on Thursday, the 11th, in the morning at 8 o'clock, the body will be airlifted to Oyam, where there has been organized a council session for all the districts comprising of the Lamu sub-region. You may want to know them later. They are going to have a special session at the Boma grounds in Oyam. And thereafter, the body will be taken to St. Nathan Church of Uganda. St. Nathan Church is a church built by the late Wakuzikibwa in honor of his father's name. The father's name was Nathan Engola, where prayers will be conducted, and then the body will be brought home in the evening at his resting place in Awangi, where most of us will be there. Then on Friday we shall continue with vigil, and then getting a word from the bishops. We have been made to understand that the prayers that will be conducted for the funeral on Saturday, the 13th, will be conducted by all the bishops who are in the northern region. So if you know northern region, all those districts there, all the bishops, so it's going to be an occasion. Burial will therefore be at the home of the late Wakuzikibwa on Saturday the 13th, beginning with prayers at 10 o'clock. We expect that by 2 o'clock will be done. So that is the program. We are in the process of waiting for the print, which is coming from the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development. As you know, this is going to be an official burial. So government is taking charge of all the arrangements. I would like to encourage all of us to be as close to the family as possible and continue to pray for the family so that God can grace them with strength in this time of sorrow.
Today we were appointed to go for a meeting in Ministry of Labor. They asked me to go with 3 to 4 people from the family. So I went with one of our sisters, Flores Otor, I hope she's there. And then the speaker or the MC, General Watcher, myself and Junior Engola, the son from this house. So we had a very good meeting with about 5 ministers. All the ministers of that ministry were there. The one of public service was there, who was here yesterday. 5 delegates of the Member of Parliament, including our chairperson of Lamu Parliamentary Group, and then other many people from different ministries. The agenda was only 5 prayers as usual, introduction from the chairperson, who was Honorable Beta Mongi, then me, and then we finished the meeting. We were only doing budget, as they have announced that it will be official burial. So the PS of public service gave us the guideline of what they mean by official burial. 3 pages we read, we understood it, we left with them. So we budgeted for the vigil day of 500 people here. We budgeted for 10,000 in Uyam, but they reduced to 8,000. And then, as he has already told you, how the program is going to be. They changed the program because they called the Prime Minister, who was guiding on telephone. They called the Speaker of Parliament, who was guiding also on telephone, because yesterday what we had agreed was different from today. We had thought that we were going to pray on Wednesday and bring the body, and then come here and then go to the village. But they changed because the president is supposed to be there, and it's going to be in Kololo. So they said that they cannot rush people 9 o'clock to Kololo, then 2 o'clock to Parliament, because the Speaker yesterday told us the body must be in Parliament by midday. So they found that the time limit was very near. That's why we had to consult, and we took decision of Tuesday, be it in Parliament. Wednesday in Kololo, prayer then at home here, so that we can take a long time, no rush. Parliament can take a long time, no rush. And then we go as scheduled to Lira, to Uyam, and bury on Saturday as it was agreed. So the change was only Tuesday and Wednesday. And everything is so far going in order. The committee in Uyam started their meeting today. Yesterday I sent one of our brothers from here, Honorable Uchenna Kalu, who has been calling me. The last call I got was about the 6th time. He's calling me, giving me the brief. The one of here, our clan at 4 o'clock, has just also ended. So far they're all going very well. And the one in the church is only the small problem which we are trying to rectify. Where he was building, he had not finished the building. And the time is on Thursday, the body is supposed to be in the church. So I told them that let them do what they can do this evening to send us the budget. Tomorrow we'll try our best. Said the one side is not roof yet. Plaster, painting, I said doesn't matter. People used to pray in grass thatch houses. What is important is to pray and the body to go in for 1 hour. Where we'll reach, we'll see on Thursday, but we'll try our level best. If we bring many people from Lira and add more labor and see what we can do, but at least it will be able to pray. And those will be there, those who will laugh at people, they can laugh, but doesn't matter because I've already finished praying, because I know now they always like to laugh at people that they have failed or something. But this is not a failure. The accident took place when the work was going on. So we were there, we'll try our best to finish it. So I'm thanking all of you for coming. Continue coming. The body is still safe until on Tuesday when they bring to Parliament. We are not allowed yet to see or touch because the investigation is still going on. And we'll say what he or she wants to say. Please, you're free to say.
Yino poloti etundibwa n'ennyumba yamu esangibwa Wakisonga wakava Enansana mu katawuni k'Ebbanda. Tawuni ekuze amakubo malungi era n'ebikondo by'olaba bye byawula akabanja mweri ku banneyiba. Ennyumba eno ya bisenge 2 n'eddiro eddene ebulako plasta na kuggala. Weri waliwo abantu bangi era osobola okuvaayo n'okolera mu kibuga Kampala. Naawe ayagala poloti ez'ebyapa 15 ebuddo omukubira ku ssimu wansawo n'obeera ng'oyogera ne nannyini waabyo direct.
Amanya gange nze Nsuuga Mustafa nkola ne Alihira Holdings. Kakati nannyini nnyumba eno yeesiimye nnyo lwa nsonga nti eno biodigester era emigaso gyayo egigirimu gyagenda ofuna. Ekisooka tagenda keera lunaku agambe nti bannange septic yajjudde nti nno ajjaleta ekimotoka ate kimuggyako ssente ng'olwedde yagizimba. So biodigester tegenda keera ku makya nti ejjudde. So nawe nkityo ogwo omugaso gwe gusinga kubanga eri gundi yaffe twagikolanga naye ate era still ng'ejja n'ekulya lwa nsonga nti ebeera etuuka n'ejjula, so etuuka ng'esigala ekulya wadde nga ate wagiteekamu ssente yo nnyingi. Ekyokulala nti beauty ye egenda vaayo eya compound nti nno pavers zigenda kuva eri engulu yonna gye mulengera paka eno amazzi era gagenda draininga gano ag'enkuba nga gagenda mu kaala akali ebbala awo nti nno beauty y'olujja egenda vaayo bulungi nnyo.
Newe manjagala simbawo muddo kisoboka.
N'oba oyagala simbawo muddo ogwo kubanga kati singa owa kamera waffe akulaga nti nno system ogira nti eri wansi fuuti 2
kweno level kutuyimiridde
wansi fuuti nga 2. So omuddo kakube guyina emirandira gitya guba gujja mmera. Yes, bannange tetukolera bagagga bokka ate era tetukolera tetusijja bayita baavu omuntu wa wansi omufuna mpola fenna gye tuggwa nange ndi mufuna mpola. So sikolera bantu sina kika kye ngamba mbuno nno nkolera baneeno wabula buli omu era buli omu nga bwozze bwe tukola ki bwe tukwata. Kati Alihira Holdings Uganda Limited tusangibwa Kamoocha Prince Charles Drive plot 45 Kamoocha we wali offices zaffe. Tuyina namba z'amasimu esooka ya Airtel 07017 66992 neya MTN 0789 224230. Abasinga batumanyira mu biodigester kuba bwe tuvudde nnyo mu kamera naye nga abaklanti baffe abapya n'abakadde bagenze bakitegeera nti no ne general construction yenna mwetuli.